Oh, I'm doing this after so long. I have to close the window. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the last few videos that I've made. Thank you so much. Even your one view is like helping me. But please like, share, subscribe so that I'm encouraged to make more videos. And I really hope you like the videos that I make. That is important. Okay, so thank you so much for being back again. And today I'm going to tell you something about. Today's video is going to be not so dramatic, but just, me trying to catch up on what's happening, what am I learning, and how difficult it is to start over. I have moved countries and I have changed a lot of things about my life. I didn't really see it coming right in my face, but things have happened. So I am around new people, new home, new country, new food, and I'm just trying to, float myself through it. So let's get right into it. So I have always lived my life in Mumbai, and it has always been my home, my comfort space, my friends, my people, my family. But in the last 2-3 months, things have changed massively. Majorly, I moved because my husband got a job here, and then I thought that it's been a long time since we have been in a long distance marriage. So I thought, okay, let's just try and get this opportunity, to live together and live life, understand each other. That's why you get married, right? You get married to live with each other. So far so good. This move wasn't that easy as I thought. At the beginning I didn't really think so much of what's going to happen. I didn't anticipate a lot of things. First few weeks in this place was very exciting because everything is new, everything is fancy. The weather is bad right now because it's hot. This country is nice. It has a lot of supermarkets, it has a lot of malls. Shopping opportunities are like crazy out here. There are strict rules for everything. You get a cab like this, guys. You get a cab like this. I think people back home will understand what is it to get a public ride like this. It's a blessing. So starting over in your late 30s can be challenging. Like it is actually very scary. So I started working at the age of 20. Suddenly after 20 years of your career, you're starting all over again. It is overwhelming. So I'm also trying to hold on to that thought that yes, I'm restarting it not with zero, but with experience. It's scary, it's exciting, it's overwhelming, it's tiring. It's really tiring, but also it's an opportunity. Create something different, have an adventure, give your life a chance to put yourself in a different box and see how it fits. I have seen people change their careers at 40s, 50s. There are less people, but there are quite a lot of people who have started their career at 60. So everything is very, so it completely depends on you as a person of how you want to look at this opportunity. And I'm definitely grateful for this opportunity because it's not every day that you get a chance to pack your bags and move to a new country, and I'm not taking it for granted. So what next? So there are a few things that I have been thinking of and I have started working on. Like the first one is YouTube, where I'll be documenting my life and the everyday things that I do around here. Document this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful country and put it out there. And also along with that, I have certain personal goals that I've set up. Like majorly is taking care of my health. Also, I wanted to fix my skin because it's breaking out. And now that I'm living with this person for 2 months, more than 2 months straight, I am seeing a very different side of marriage, and I realize it is not something that you just do it in a week and you're like 1 week acha hai to all good. No, I realize it's an everyday effort. I also want to explore slow living. I'm a very impatient person, so slow living is going to be a bit of a challenge for me, but I'm going to do that. But you tell me, what is it that you want to know about Abu Dhabi? So that's pretty much my life update. Thank you so much for listening to all of this. So if you have ever started in a new country, new city, new job, new adventure, new version of yourself, I'd love to know what helped you through it. Drop a comment and I will read them all. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, next video from Abu Dhabi will come for you. Like, share, and comment so that it encourages me to create more video here. You enjoy and take care of yourself.